Hey everyone, welcome to Tutorial Lore. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your Shopify store mobile-friendly to improve user experience and boost sales. Be sure to watch the entire video so you don't miss any steps. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Tutorial Lore. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Choose a mobile-optimized theme first. Open Shopify and go to Online Store Themes. Make sure you're using a responsive theme. Shopify's free themes, like Dawn and Debut, are optimized for mobile. If you need a more advanced design, you can explore premium themes in the Shopify theme store. Step 2. Enable mobile preview. Click on Customize next to your theme, then switch to Mobile View to see how your store looks on a smartphone. This helps you adjust elements like font size, button placement, and images for better mobile usability. Step 3. Optimize images and layout. Ensure all images are compressed for faster loading. Use Shopify's built-in image editor to crop and resize them. Avoid oversized images that slow down your store. Also, use simple navigation, with easy-to-tap buttons and a clean layout. Step 4. Improve mobile page speed. Go to Shopify Admin Online Store Preferences and enable Accelerated Mobile Pages, AMP, if your theme supports it. You can also use apps like TinyIMG or Page Speed Optimizer to improve loading times. Step 5. Test your mobile store. Visit Google's mobile-friendly test tool and enter your store URL to check for any issues. If Shopify suggests improvements, apply them for better mobile performance. And that's it. Your Shopify store is now mobile-friendly and ready to provide a smooth shopping experience. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tutorial Lore. See you in the next video.